Hello everyone, my name is Ishita Mangal. I'm a fashion designer and creative director of Go and a content creator. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade a basic bun with accessories in under 2 minutes. Or maybe 5 minutes. Don't sue me for saying 2 minutes. I mean, Maggie does it all the time. Why can't I? For the first bun, I've taken this rose pink colored rose. I should have called it something else. Rose pink colored rose is kind of off. Anyway, I'm going to place it on top of the bun on one end and secure it with several pins. You don't want the accessories to fall off in the middle of your dance. Then you might as well have gone without making the bun in the first place. Next, I'm going to take this white rose which is already attached to a bobby pin. This one, unlike many accessories that I'm going to use, is actually a hair accessory. Add it on top of the bun next to the first rose. Next, I'm going to add this peach rose and add it on top of the other two. That's it. This is the final look. It's classy. It's very easy to do, so you really don't have any excuse to not shake your lazy ass this time. Shake it. Shake it. Better. For the next look, I'm taking this moldable wired hair accessory in white and Victorian silver shades. I love that this can be twisted and turned in so many ways. I also wish that human brains were so easy to twist and turn. My life would be much easier. Because of this property, this can also be used as a necklace, as a bracelet, and in many other ways. I'm going to wrap this on the circumference of the bun. So when you turn your head around sneakily to check out other people, people can see your hair accessory details quite clearly. Next, I'm going to take these blingy hair pins. There are obviously multiple ways of using these pins on the hair. You can use a couple in the front to style open hair or stack them all in a bun. It's really up to you. I'm just going to take one of these pins and pin it right in the center of the bun. I like how the pressure of the pin in the center creates an illusion of a messy hair bun. Matches my messy state of mind just right. For the next look, I'm taking this stretchable bracelet that I haven't used in a while. And if you haven't used your jewelry in quite some time, then I suggest taking it out and using some of it as hair accessories. I'm wrapping this one in the circumference of the bun. Next, I'm going to add this plastic bow brooch. Use this type of brooch to highlight that you're the most important gift to this world. You might not be, but there's no harm in feeling that you are. I'm going to place this brooch on top of the bun. Next, I'm using this peach flower. It's a good idea to collect a couple of these pinkish shade flowers because these colors go with a variety of outfits. I'm going to place it just below the bow to finish the look. Now I'm taking a moldable wire pearl accessory. Pearls are classic and signify elegance, and if you ever want to be known as having these two traits, then this is an accessory you should definitely invest in. I'm just going to wrap this around in all directions on the circumference and on top of the bun. Be sure to pin it along the way to keep it stable. Don't just wrap it just like that and be like, oh my god, this didn't work for me. You have to pin it. It's common sense. Take a bunch of these white flowers. Sorry, that was a failed attempt in doing an accent. Please don't unsubscribe yet. I'm going to take this white flower stem and place it on the side of the bun. Looks cool, doesn't it? And it doesn't even take more than 2 minutes to make this. So next time you go to a party, make this look, and if anyone asks, just say, oh, I don't plan my looks, I just did this in the car in like 2 minutes. And they'll immediately know you're a liar. Next, I'm taking this embroidered belt, which I've used as a belt as a necklace. You've seen it on my Instagram, and now I'm using it as a hair accessory. It is embroidered with gota, zari, mirrors, khungroos. It was quite expensive, so I'm going to make the most out of it. You should do the same with the n number of impulse purchases that you make. I'm going to wrap the length of the belt around the bun because it has these beautiful ghungroos which are going to add this 3D dimension to the entire bun. And the rest of the hanging tassels, I'm just going to take it across the bun. How cool is that? Definitely cooler than you are. Next, I'm going to take this dust pink flower hairband. This look is quite OTT and not for everyone, so please don't start hating on me because of this look. Although you're allowed to hate on me because of my commentary. I'm going to place the hairband on the back side of the crown. Then I'm going to take this dual colored flower hair clip. Again, you get individual plastic flowers, but it's always better to buy them in a hair clip format because it's just easier to pin it on the hair. It saves you time, something you're not good at saving. Hell, you're not good in saving anything, you're just good in spending. So this is your final look. It's not for everyone, but you must give it a try. That was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.